I want you to know. Mhm. You will see a vertical tree-like structure that consists of containers OSINT fold. Click username at the top of the tree. You will then see tools that will click each to open. But in the upper right corner, there's a legend that identifies the legend. Under username search entrance, click what's going on. The link takes you to a Git repository for the What's Engineering project and the repo files for the various sites that implement the links. The the first link. What's my name? The free website. What's my name? The parent organization was sent by several agencies. I want you to know. Lunch ba tayo contest daw ba naman? Aga na lang po ako. Makapag-order na po ako. Tons. In the search bar, type in a few username agent. Use your own username or others will be fine. Try searching the internet for common username or other potential terms. But for now, just click the green will be fine plus to start the search. Dependency with another tool, side or put below. Oh, um, exclude residents. Investigate the roads. You can open the links to the accounts either from the green rectangles or or the table of results. What's my name provides a very flexible result. The result table can be sorted by column, and you can export the result as CSV or PDF for reporting purposes. In addition, you can easily filter by username and search within the results. Finally, you get the links for the profile pages for the users at many different sites. Damn, process 690. Can I export? Users to learn documentary with the first username in the list. Let's just search terms. What is this? Open all links. Show false positive. YouTube user 2. Okay, to rescue ito. What is the value of doing username searches and having enumeration? What the shit? And andun na lahat. Sige, check nga natin kung paano yung video. Ah, that's really cool though. intermediate. Receive OSINT. Uh, mm, Searching for user names can help identify accounts that company employees have on different websites. Some sites may be secure, others could access defense specialists. Developers, partners, employees, use can also reveal trends and daily habits which employee social investigating smart start pay aggregated resource tool. The Start Me web service is popular bookmark manager and productivity tool. The people at my OSINT training MOT have set up a search system that finds all the supposed related links that people have bookmarked and started and shared on Start.me. There are many. You can enter OSINT relevant search terms to find the related. Okay. What was this? The bad news, unfortunately, in 2023, the people at Start Me changed how devices access. Oh, it's getting. Open some of the links. Be careful, however, this the public sources may be malicious. Since the data in Smart was no longer accurate, we have decided to shut down project for now. Use part two. Use Spiderfoot. Spiderfoot is an automated object scanner. It is included with Kali. Alright. Okay. Spiderboot can also run on console. Spiderboot seeds its can with one of the following. Spiderfoot offers the option of choosing scans based on use case required data and by Spiderfoot module. The use cases are really cool. The audio is really fine. Anong audio kaya ito? Default. Really, it's from a microphone. Uh, Start and run Spiderfoot. In a terminal, enter the following command: spider -l 20,000. Starting up your browser of choice and browse. Password file contains no password authenticator. See, hello. Should run. Betterwood has been opening this VM. You will see the scan. If this is the first time Betterwood has opened its VM, you see the scan screen. This is scan recently run in this example. You disable this true. Express Betterfoot. Before we get started, look at the scanners that Betterfoot uses to build its. To build to build the table below with some examples. Scanner name using the settings pane. So all Better modules are referred to as SFT. Scanners with the developments to them indicate an IP is necessary. Further information regarding the key requirements provided to the you can interact with Spiderfoot from Terminal 2. You can display all the modules that are available in Spiderfoot and Web. Spiderfoot page. Oh yeah, does it work? How does create one? Extends. Oh, that's help. What? This is not modules. Oh, command line options. The grep command can be used to search the file for keywords. This will not provide information about API requirements, but it will help you to make sense of the list of available modules. Dash and grep what? Links that are associated. Nope. Alright, fine. Just so goofy. It's the SFP. Oh. Oh, ito SFP abuse IPTP. Things that are associated with the target cross-referencer. Ooh. I just do this. Picking up. And then oh, that's not good. What? Selection. Oh, oh my gosh. Select screenshot. Shift print. Oh man, that's really bad. Selected area. Window capture. Alt. Oh my gosh. Is that what I wanted? Hello? Selection. Shift print screen and drag. Damn, this shift print screen. Press it. Oh, okay. Man, it's so annoying. Printer safety cross rep PPA key no. Comments. Comments. That's usually very what's supposed to be. That's enough. Mm. Oh, ito. Ito na yun, yung comments. Email addresses that associated with the target. So it's email crawler. Oh, kailangan ng API. Yes. Scanner module name. Email crawler. Copy na lang natin. The means is wrap that up. SFGP. Okay. No. Tapos um geolocation information. Geolocation. IPAC. O kailangan ng API. And summary. Kailangan ng API in oh, free. Oh no. Yes. Oh, kailangan ang grip lang ka. Well, this is not here. Let's double check. Oh, geolocation ay pati. Kailangan yes. What about ano? May pricing ba? Oh, meron. Let's check all ano. Tapos tignan natin yung pricing lines. Hmm. Domains and URLs, script that out. Need a bridge. Read book. Wait, tanong ulit natin. Shit. It does not require API key though. Christ. Oh, shit. Oh, fruit. Wait, bring that. Run a Spiderfoot scan for a domain. Click the new scan tab in Spiderfoot. Enter the name of the scan and select a target. In this case, we will use uh hacker. Okay. You will scan by note that you will also executing a row or scans. You will scan by use keys. Note that select the scan footprint. Note that all use cases can be scan. You just see a bar graph appear. A new bars will appear in the viewers of the routine. Also over the bar square summary. Oh, don't bar graph na. Pero food scans are very gumagana pa rin ba? Sure, it minutes. Spare food scans are very detailed and can take a very long time. If this can at least 30 minutes, what? To get the most details, the scan can take hours. While the scan is running, you can browse the results. Go back to the scan results. You will see a table with the currently running scan and any previous scan displayed. Click the black square in the rightmost column to stop the scan. Where's the stop? Doesn't seem to be scan settings. Graph. Stack. Click the rightmost. Oh, ano naman dito? Hello. Each row in the table represents data found by the various modules. Some modules contribute to multiple types of data, investigate the results, register API keys optional. API keys will enhance the functionality of Spiderfoot. Some of this API key, iyan natin. Screenshot na natin. Key. Browse tab. That's really, really fun. Go to the settings tab. Find the for module in the below. What is it? Register. Build with. Oh. Ano talaga siya? Module siya. So build with. And for each module in the table, click the question mark. Oh no, copyright tayo dito. Oh no, makaka-copyright yung video! Alright. Web software and use your API key. What? Papakita yung API key. Mm. Type of information. Open na lang namin. Don't give up. Best. Hunter.io. Kapapakita yung API key ko. That's crazy. API key. Enter the API key in the settings for each module. Be sure to configure machine models. Once. All plans include where's the Hunter.io categories, the configuration for search. API. Your API. This is kind of wild, but first of all, click the question mark next to the API option. Ah, okay. Instructions lang pala. Shit. Oh, that's ito. Okay. Scan info. Feel good. Onion. Okay, hindi ko na hindi tayo table. Instructions. Got a screenshot again. Intelligence X. Enter the API keys in the settings, search module, which series changes, click new scan, go to my module tab, select only the module for which you have to add the API keys, enter the key, analyze results of API module scan should not. Which module contributed to this model? Italics talaga. Man, no way. Bye bye. Double click several languages in the table. Um, um, I should run spider foot that game. Double click several of the entries. Uh, select opening new tab. Originals. Entries list. In the data element, double click several of the entries. How? Like ito, entries ko yan. Original information. Hello. Column right click and select open in new tab. I'm not sure about that. Correlations. Should go on scan. Stop selecting running finished. Double click several of the entries in the data element. So data element. Ibig sabihin ng data tayo sa ano. Then double click several and select open in new tab. Well, I don't know. It's just I don't really know, but it's the data where the source uh we were just scratching Recon NG is an OSINT framework that is similar to the Pascal script. Consists of several. Pwede ba? I don't believe so. Oh yeah, you better. Oh what? No way. Read aloud add-on was not found. Google Doc. Alright. I'm not going to read that. Please keep the sidebar open for it allowed to work if you prefer to install.
ReconNG is an OSINT framework that is similar to the Metasploit exploitation framework or the social engineering toolkit SET. It consists of a series of modules that can be run in their own workspaces. The modules can be configured to run with option settings that are specific to the module. This simplifies running recon-ng at the command line because options for the modules are independently set within the workspace. When you run the module, it uses these settings to perform its searches. As the name suggests, recon-ng is used to perform a wide range of reconnaissance activities on different settings that you provide. Some modules are available with Kali installation and others are available for download and installation in the recon-ng modules marketplace.
Recon NG has autocomplete. Press the tab count button. Recon NG. No modules installed. Use the tab key twice to list the available commands and options at different places in the command line. This is very handy. To run recon NG, you can also start to by note that the terminal prompt is to indicate that you are working within the recon framework and to help to get the set of the commands that are available. Back exits, dashboard displays, DB interfaces with the workspace database, exits the framework, help displays this menu, index, marketplace. Recon NG uses workspace to isolate investigations from one another. Workspaces can be created for different parts of a task or different customers, for example. Type workspaces help to view options for the workspaces command. How can you display the available workspaces? Spaces. How? Enter the workspaces list. Okay. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. And using the web previous list. How can you remove a workspace? Uh, remove. Oops. I'll create. What? Workspaces. Okay. Man, I couldn't, di ko alam gagawin ko. Paano yung annotation ko? Di ko alam gumamit ng gano'ng What the heck? What's not working? Click icon here. Pause muna natin. Right. Create a workspace name test by entering workspaces created followed by the workspace name. Note that prompt has changes to indicate that you are in this workspace. I already did. Okay, whatever then. Workspaces create test. Type how. What command will exit? What command will exit the workspace and return the main return prompt? What prompt? Workspaces help. Workspaces. What? Ah, help. Rock. Okay. Dang it. Investigate modules. Recon MG is a modular framework. Modules are Python programs with different functions. They are stored in an external marketplace that permits developers to create their own modules and contribute them for by others. Return to the recon ng prompt under the module search command. What? How many modules are currently available to you? Wala. Investigate the module marketplace. Recon ng will not function without modules. In this step, we will install modules from the Recon ng marketplace. The module marketplace is a GitHub public repository. Search the web for Recon ng marketplace. Recon. Recon ng. Uh-huh. What are the dependencies? Show the modules. Damn it. What are the requirements? And what are the requirements for this module? uh, C info. How? Uh, info. Info show that. What? Oh, info module. Mhm. What exactly am I looking? Okay. Recon. Uh, on times. Well, doesn't work. Hindi pwede. Oh no, that's not it. Dependencies. Marketplace info. To learn more about individual modules, you know, pala yun. Install a new module. Recon NG as is module from the GitHub repository now. When they are installed. There's the marketplace modules Bing. 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 Uh, okay. Which module did you find? No. Being domain one. It's broken, so I'll do it again. Can capture, get out, area, and view installation for this module. To install a module, copy the full name into the path to the clipboard. View information for this module. Marketplace for recon domain post. Copy the full name, including the path to the clipboard. Uh, including the path to the clipboard. Marketplace install on domains post. Module installed. keeps it keeps on doing that, huh? And for installation, enter the module search command to verify the cricket direct. Repeat the process. Build search. Oh, man. Uh, marketplace search after target. Uh, marketplace info target. And module install lang naman. Yung ginawa ko pang install, ang market install. I could please install recon domain tools module search. Yung ginawa ko, from search, module search siya nga. Run the new modules, create a new workspaces named apps if you wish. To start working with a module, it must be initialized. Uh, tables, listing, workspaces. No. Ano na to? Ano na tong ginagamit ko? Recon NG. Workspaces. Repeat. Uh, right. Then uh modules load proper target. Load the prompt changes the reflectable module. Each module is its own environment. The developers of Recon NG have taken care of the to keep the framework consistent, so the same commands are loaded for each module. However, the options can vary. Type info. What is the only option for this module? Source. Instead of passing options at the command line in Recon NG, you set the options and then enter a simple command to execute the module. Use the option set source command to set the only option for this option. Complete the command by specifying the target as captured. Type run to execute the module. Verify the output setting with the exit command. First options. See info from first options. Type run. Report yes. Oh gosh. Info. Option set source. Command to set the only port. Options set source. That's a current context option. Alright. Nag-iba nga siya. I guess. Verified info. Yes, info. Type run to execute the module. Source contains some inputs. Set source up store. That's good. Info. Inspect the output of the command. The output is stored in a database so you can refer to later. The data that is stored to specific to the workspace in which it was gathered. Enter the dashboard command. And it's specific to this workspace. What is the recon data label for that subdomain? How many were discovered? Dashboard. The show command displays the specific data, displays the data for specific categories. Uh, Show host command to display the list of sources that were discovered. Now repeat the process with the ping module. Compare the result with the hacker target module. So, uh, I'll just do a screenshot here. So, now repeat the process with the ping module. So back options, set, uh-oh, hacker target, modules load, the modules load, ping, all right, one, two, four, two, two. Okay, options, set, close, cut, load, nothing, hmm. Comparing sa, ano, sa ping, show hosts, ping. Wow. 5. Ano yung sa dashboard? Different siguro. Nine? Nine? No way, it's nine. It's just five. How many subdomains did the module find? How does this compare to the other target module? Well, it is similar. This is Bing. It's the same. What? Oh my gosh, bakit di na nag-work? Kumain ka, may ulam pa doon. Kumain na po. Uh, why? Ba't hindi gumagana yung copy-paste? Okay. Those two domains. Uh, Bing searches two domains. Alright. What was that thesis? Pasok kayo bukas? Uh-huh. Enter investigate the web interface. Recon NG has a web interface that simplifies and improves viewing. It also open a new terminal. Uh, exit terminal. Like, if you say so. Recon web. This is development server. uh, alright. One screenshot this one. Click the orange workspace note at the top. Okay. Okay. Find interesting file with Recon NG. In this part of the we will install an unused another plugin. Search the marketplace. Where? That that you use should have no dependencies or key requirements. that will discover interesting files in the mean. Interesting files in the mean. What? All right. So uh ng marketplace search interesting files. So marketplace install discovery import zero files files search news search list. Nope. Hindi ko nabili. Discovery info distribution install and load the plugin. Gosh, I forgot to load. Paano na mag-load? Marketplace install, repeat, run the modules load. Oh, market workspaces. Paano mag-run? Nakakainis. Works, recon ng workspace. Okay. Workspaces. Create a workspace. Okay. And opens or directly. Ano mag-run? Wait. Models load. Packet. No, that's not it. Model search. Plus workspace list. Oh, workspaces load. Tapos, ano na yung workspace ko? Then what? Iloload ko. Module load. Gosh, ay, nalilito ako. Considering. Man, I'm really confused. So, marketplace. All marketplace search. Um, Loading modules. Marketplace install. Tapos pass. Tapos, kung paano ilo-load, modules load. Modules load. This is installing. Right. Modules include interesting files, no? All right. Next, run the module. Run. Modules load. I'm really confused. Oh, minsan na nga yung obsidian. Hindi ko nakikita. Hindi ko nakikita yung obsidian. Nasaan na yun? Ala, wala yung not taking up ko. Wow, what happened there? Ano mangyayari kapag naka-tatlong absent? Paano na show host, no? Run! Run! Of course, run! Why? What? Tapos run. Alright. Found but unverified. In the recon ng data folder. Recon ng folder. Recon ng folder. Where is that? Data folder. Oh, it's hidden. So recon engine. Data folder. Interesting files. Some of these files can be downloaded or viewed. Okay. All right. Reflection questions. What do you think about recon? The workspaces feature preserves the installed module and their configured options. Workspaces also have their own results data can be configured private for higher and testing each. Recon NG it is a modular architecture. Modules simplify using because module options figured with the module that of need to specify a long list of options and simplify the module required around simple thing and okay, tapos ko na! Tapos ko na! Modules ko na! Yes!